Good morning, students. We'll start our second chapter of Unit 2, that is Flying Together. This chapter is presented by Shiv Kumar, and this chapter is adapted from the book of Panchatantras. The name of this story in that book is A Wise Old Bird. So let's start our chapter. Once upon a time, there was a lush green dark forest, and in that forest a giant big tree with lot many branches and leaves and very strong stem. There was a tree, and on that tree a group of geese were living. Geese are a type of bird, and geese is plural form of goose. So a group of birds, a group of geese were living on that tree, and in that group there was one old bird, a old goose, who is very clever and wise. So one day they were just chirping and enjoying on tree. On that day, that old wise bird said that he showed them a little climber that was growing near the tree on which they were living, and said that this climber will create a very difficult situation for us. This will create trouble for us someday. So everyone asked that how this little climber will create some problem or anything for us. This is very little, and they show pity on that climber, that oh, this is very little and this will not harm us in any way. So that old wise bird said, are you all foolish? You don't know that this climber will grow soon, and with the help or with the support of our tree only, and it will be very easy for anyone to climb up towards the tree, and some hunter or someone will catch us easily. As this is our house, right, we feel very safe here, so we need to destroy this climber, as it is still very small and tender, and because of that we can easily destroy this. Everyone ignored and said like, okay, we'll see this later, and let this little climber grow for now. So everyone ignored. Days passed, and that climber started growing with the help of that tree. With that climber spiraled or climbed that tree in a circular motion. So, and one day a hunter saw that climber, the tree and the nest of these geese, and said, okay, these geese are living here, now I will set a net for them and I'll catch them all. And he easily climbed that tree with the help of that climber, and नेट सेट कर दिया उसने. एंड व्हेन इन इवनिंग द गीज केम बैक, राइट, मॉर्निंग में दे वेंट फॉर in the search of food, and in evening when they came back home, when they returned to their nest, they didn't see the net. उनको net नहीं दिखा, and they all got trapped, and they started shouting, help, help us, but no one can help them now. Then they realized that yes, that old bird was right, and they all said sorry to him, that sorry, we didn't listen to you when you warned us, and this happened. So that old bird said, it's okay, now don't create a fuss, don't panic, and let's think for the solution. So the bird said, do as I say now. And he said that we'll all have to act as we are all dead. हम मर गए हैं, ऐसा हमको प्रिटेंड करना पड़ेगा, so that the hunter will let us go or he'll leave us as it is. because what the hunter will do with us, with dead us? So he will let us go and he will throw us away. So we have to lie still and act as we are all dead. So they did as that old bird say. Next morning when that hunter came back to his net on that tree and saw that all the goose are lying still and no one is doing any activity, and everyone, he thought that they are all dead, and he muttered himself that what I will do with these dead geese, so I'll throw them away. And one by one he threw all the geese down on the floor from tree. And as they have decided, that old bird has said that when the hunter will throw the last member of our group, at that time we'll whip our wings and we'll fly away together. And they all did the same. When hunter was throwing them, they waited for the last bird, and when hunter threw, जब hunter ने वो last bird को भी नीचे फेंक दिया, at that very moment they all wept their wings and they all flew away. So moral of the story is, first we should always listen to our elders. Whatever they advise us, that advice is for our good only. And next next important point is that we should always live together in team or as group and help each other in any difficult situations. Now let's see the hard words. Branches for geese, creeper, destroy, replied, strong, climber, hunter, pity, tender, advised, winding, stronger, spread, returned, struggled, fuss, caught and muttered. Now meanings. Geese, plural form of goose, and large web-footed bird. Creeper, plant that needs support to grow. Winding, go in circular or spiral course. Muttered, spoke in a low tone. Flapped, move wings up and down. Thank you.